Welcome back. Today we are looking at the impact of NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal AI Desktop Supercomputer on performance. The NVIDIA DGX Spark Personal AI Desktop Supercomputer represents a major step forward inches, making advanced artificial intelligence development accessible from a desktop environment. While the category often associated with the NVIDIA DGX H100 system is traditionally reserved for enterprise-scale deployments and massive data centers, this compact workstation brings professional-grade AI capabilities closer to developers, researchers, engineers, data scientists, and AI enthusiasts. What impressed me most during evaluation was not simply the processing power. Check the video description for the updated price link. High performance is expected from NVIDIA. Instead, the most valuable characteristic is how effectively the platform reduces user errors throughout the AI workflow. From model development and testing to deployment and optimization, mistakes become easier to identify, workloads become easier to manage, and system bottlenecks become easier to avoid. Modern AI projects frequently fail because of configuration mismatches, insufficient computing resources, memory limitations, environment conflicts, and workflow inconsistencies. The NVIDIA DGX Spark addresses many of these pain points by combining powerful hardware with a streamlined AI-focused ecosystem that, if your goal is building machine learning models, training neural networks, experimenting with generative AI, running large language models, or accelerating research projects without constantly troubleshooting infrastructure, this machine deserves serious consideration. For readers researching advanced technology products, here is another useful resource-related product guide. GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture designed specifically for AI workloads. Desktop-sized AI supercomputing platform. Optimized hardware and software integration. Designed to reduce deployment complexity. Accelerated AI training and inference performance. Professional-grade development environment. Scalable architecture for future AI projects. Efficient memory handling for large datasets. Compact form factor compared to traditional AI servers. Enterprise-inspired reliability, Inch's a desktop package. One of the least discussed challenges Inch's AI development is the number of errors that occur before a model ever produces useful results. Developers routinely lose hours dealing with software incompatibilities, memory allocation issues, inefficient hardware utilization, and deployment inconsistencies. The NVIDIA DGX Spark reduces these risks in several ways. First, it provides a hardware environment engineered specifically for AI workloads. This eliminates much of the uncertainty involved when trying to assemble a custom workstation from unrelated components. Second, AI frameworks and NVIDIA's software ecosystem are designed to work together efficiently. When hardware and software are developed with shared goals, users spend less time troubleshooting and more time building. Third, the platform's architecture helps reduce training interruptions. Stable performance means fewer failed experiments, fewer corrupted workflows, and more predictable outcomes. For professionals whose time has significant value, these advantages may ultimately be more important than benchmark numbers alone. The DGX Spark is designed for users who want workstation-class computing power without dedicating an entire room to server hardware. The desktop-oriented footprint makes it practical for laboratories, offices, universities, engineering teams, and independent researchers. The industrial design reflects NVIDIA's modern engineering philosophy. Every element appears focused on efficiency. Cooling, airflow, thermal stability, and accessibility contribute to a system that feels purpose-built rather than adapted from consumer hardware. What stands out is the reduction of complexity. AI infrastructure often intimidates new users. This system simplifies the experience by presenting a more approachable pathway into advanced machine learning development. Check the link in the description to get yours today.